Welcome to this employer tutorial on how to approve employee time cards. From the MyBanner homepage, click Employee. On this page, click Timesheet. Click Approve or Acknowledge Time, and then select. On this page, you should see your department and title. In the drop-down menu, select the pay period in which you are going to review and approve time cards. Oftentimes, the most recent completed pay period will actually be the second selection. Once you've made your choice, click Select. On this page, you'll see your employees categorized by their status. You'll have their name, position, and title, and the required action. This should say Approve. And then you'll see their total hours submitted for that 2-week pay period. To get more information, click the employee's name, which is hyperlinked. Here you'll see their regular pay hours broken down by day, as well as the total hours they've submitted for this pay period. In the top menu, click Change Record if the hours submitted are not accurate. You can make the changes, but be sure to email your employee to notify them. Here's where you can also approve a single employee. Once you do that, click Previous Menu and you'll see your employees now broken down by pending and approved. For more information, you can visit the Student Employment website.